It is just absolutely friggin' miserable, man. Now I know why Randy's like, I gotta get out of town. Well, I'm heading to Vegas tomorrow, so. But damn, man. Get over here so y'all can see this. Look at this dude tire just clear. Yo, the joint is bouncing. The whole suspension is bouncing. That shit is crazy. The whole back tire on that joint was just bouncing. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and as you can tell, I am in the middle of bumfuck Egypt. Okay, maybe not Egypt, but Texas. So I'm on my way out here. I gotta stop in Amarillo. I'm gonna try to see what's going on with Kevin Van Voorhees while I'm there. Maybe I'll get a workout in at his gym if this dumbass in the caravan can figure out where the fuck they want to be at. But it's beautiful out here, and we are on the way to Las Vegas, Nevada. So we'll be out there to see my dude Carlos in that beautiful M3, the Mini, and everything else, and we're gonna have some fun out in Las Vegas. And then I'm gonna be in Arizona. I'm gonna try to link up with Destroyer 1320 while I'm going through there. It's gonna be an interesting trip. Today's video, though, is we're gonna bang out some of this trip from here, you know, get through Texas and see what we can get. And this will probably be a bonus video for y'all tomorrow, man. But yo, I wonder how many birds just eat shit in those big ass fan blades. Like, you know, you just be flying along. Like, look at these birds, like the ones that are about to go in the grill of the Scat Pack. But no, I mean, like, for real though, like, they're just chilling, you're just flying around, minding your own business, and then boop, upside your head. So like, because them blades is moving. They don't look like they're going fast, but don't get it twisted, they are moving, man. So I got my cruise set to 80 to speed limit, in case you didn't know. On this stretch of highway, I believe it's 75. So it actually is. And there's some that we're gonna get to where the speed limit is actually 80. And I can't wait to hit that, boy. Woo! Anywho's, somewhere along the trip today, we're gonna stop. I am upgrading the rear tires on this, even though you know, like I said, I'm going to trade it in. I'd probably get some fun with it in the track out in Las Vegas before we trade this thing in or sell it. But I'm putting 305s on the rear. Now, I know, TK, they're not going to fit. They're too wide. Listen, I already seen it. I done seen people run them stock on their scats. So I'm going to do that too. So that's how that goes. But anywho's, let me know what you guys think. We're going to go ahead and keep rolling. Try to knock out some of this trip. Well, look at that beautiful sky, man. Well, I just got done chatting with Kevin and found out that he's in California right now. So maybe I'll link up with him if we end up crossing paths in Cali when I get out that way. But you know, I gotta support real motherfuckers, man. And Kevin's a real motherfucker, so I'm going by the shop. I got to pick up some supplements so I can continue to get these gains. And I can continue to lose this Santa Claus shit that I got going on. And yeah, man, let's knock it out. I got like 100 and something miles to go, so let's bang this shit out. All right, guys, so we just stopped for gas. I'm about, I don't know, maybe 30 miles outside of Amarillo right now. So I'll be dropping by world famous Contagion Athletics today. Like I said it earlier. Cali boy Kev evidently is in Cali. But, you know, I got to come by. Look, man, if I fuck with you, I come by. I support the business. It just is what it is. So we got to come by there, get some video from the shop in the gym, you know, post it up here in the video, and we're going to keep it moving, man. Right now, my current arrival time looks like about 4 a.m.-ish into Las Vegas. That's if I kept my current pace. I probably will cut that down if I really wanted to get there sooner. But I think I might just stop and chill. I might end up stopping somewhere, grabbing dinner with somebody or something. We'll see how it goes. But man, I'm trying to get as much of this mileage out as I can before that sun comes down and it's like right in my face. So that's what we got going on. I'm out here in the middle of nowhere, Texas, before we get to Amarillo. I might go by the BMW dealership there. If you don't know, I bought a lot of my BMWs from the BMW dealership in Amarillo. The X5, I ordered my i8 there. Now, they do a lot of X5s at the dealership in Amarillo. It's pretty much all they do. And they serviced my i3 when I tried to drive that across the country from Miami to Las Vegas. That was a disaster. Much better now. Much better now. If you like that kind of content, go check out my dude Auto Auction Rebuilds channel. He has an i3 now, and he recently drove it from Oklahoma to LA and back, which is kind of a similar distance trip from Miami to Vegas. So definitely go check that out if you're into the EV type of content or you want to see that. He's got one over there. And try to convince him to keep the car. Like, go over there, watch his content so he keeps the car. But anywho's, we're just rolling, man. And I got about, like I said, probably 20-30 minutes. And we'll pop up to Contagion Athletics. All right, guys. So, as you can see, we're on the outskirts of some civilization here. I got about 12 miles to go. But we're starting to get into the outskirts of Amarillo proper here now. So we're gonna go ahead and finish this rollout and roll up at Contagion. All right, so we just got into downtown, or the downtown area in Amarillo, and we're about half a mile out from Contagion Athletics. Gotta pick me up some merch, whatever, when I come through. You know, I gotta spend some money, man. We're gonna see what kind of supplements he got in the shop, and I'm gonna have to pick some of that up too. Come on, man, make the turn, make the turn, make the turn. There you go, make that turn, make that turn. So I can one-hand this joint. Oh, man. You gotta love that. It says gym open. Oh, we got a coffee shop? Yo, Kevin, man. Yo, say less, bro. You got a friggin' coffee shop in here? Damn, why did the New York just come out? I'm here with motherfucking bells on, bro. I gotta see what's up. Let me pull up and see what the deal is with the shop here. Yo, the presentation is on 1,000. I ain't gonna lie. Presentation is on 1,000. I don't know if I gotta wear it. I know I'm in Texas, but I don't know if they on some mask shit or what, so I'll bring one just in case. All right, man, so obviously I made it out here to Contagion Athletics. Shout out to my dude, Kevin Van Voorhees, man, aka Cali Boy Kev. But Kev, man, we gotta get big boy some merch, man. You know, I'm not, even when I'm getting big on these weights, bro, you know, I ain't gonna be fitting in no 1X, bro. I ain't on that medium shit. But we got a couple of hats on deck. You know, I like my red and black, so I got the red and black Contagion Athletics joint. And it's not like the bootleg snapback shit. It's like the fitted joint with the stretch joint. So I like that, man. I like that. The merch is 100% official. I fucks with it. I'm not even gonna take the stickers off of it. We're gonna rock this all the way out into Las Vegas. I gotta do it. You can see it. Ooh, that red and white hit different. All right, the red and white hits different. I like this. And then I had to pick me up some supplements while I was here, you know. So I got the ESP Extreme. So, you know, when I'm dragging ass in the morning and I want to tighten myself up, I can punish this. Now I know someone's gonna be like, yo, Kev had to pay dude. Nah, man, this is how I get down, man. If I come through your city and I fuck with you and you got a business, I'm coming to spend some money. Just like other people will come to my strip club or come to any of my, you know, come to my spots and spend money. I got to do the same thing. If you don't reciprocate, you kind of like, you mooching at that point. You know what I'm saying? So I got the ESP Extreme, so that's what's up. That's what's up. That's fire. And I got the 3X shirt the only 3X shirt that they had in inventory, because you know, big boy shit. But we got the Texas flag joint, or the state of Texas joint with the Contagion Athletics in the middle. So there you have it. Now I'm gonna walk through the gym real quick so y'all can get a quick look at what the facility looks like. If you're in Amarillo, or like it's within an hour or so of your, you know, a drive, the gym here is official. The gym is official. Yo, they gotta listen. You can come here, get your friggin' car cleaned, bust down one of these 57 grams of protein Oreo shakes. And then go hit them weights. This shit is undefeated. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. Yo, the kid behind the counter was like, yo, the Oreo joint, and the other guy here was like, yo, the Oreo joint is official. The Oreo joint, the Oreo smoothie, 57 grams of protein. Get me one of them before I go in and lift, and get me one after. It's over with. It's a win. Anyways, shout out to my dude, Cali Boy Kev. Go follow him on Instagram at Cali Boy Kev. And make sure you go follow his YouTube and subscribe. Kevin Van Voorhees on YouTube. And like I said, if you're in the Amarillo area, come through and rock with my dudes. Come through and rock with the gym, man. You know, the pandemic's been a bitch for everybody. They were lucky enough to be able to be open and stuff. But still, man, you know, support businesses from real, support real motherfuckers, right? Support real business, dudes that are, support real dudes that do real business. That's the biggest thing I could tell you. And yeah, on that note, let's go ahead and crack out this gym, see what's good. So y'all can see the exterior of the building. You know, they got a drive through if you want to get your protein shakes on the way out. They got like the cafe joint in there. They got the car wash around back. They actually do like ceramic. I just found out they do ceramic coating and all kinds of shit. You know, they got the gym, which is this section over here. I'm gonna walk y'all through over here real quick so I can show y'all that section. But overall, man, Kevin got his shit together for sure. 100%. Yeah, my dude's gym got a whole elevator in it, man. Yo, I gotta be honest, this is some New York City shit. This is some shit I'm used to seeing in New York, not Texas. What? Boom. All right. Oh, this is some new type of material. This is cool. So this looks like a track, but it's also got some kind of like squishy shit in it. I say squishy shit. I know it's got good resistance, so you don't bang your heels on it when you're running. You got the football field down here. Damn, Kev, man, I didn't know you was doing it like this, bro. About to make me have to maybe buy me a little spot or something out here so I can come to the gym. You got the Beast, the Contagion Athletics truck. Right there on deck, that 3500. Boom. That dually is pretty though. I ain't gonna lie, that wrap is sick. Man, you got views. And that's the thing, like you could come out here and walk this whole joint or run this whole joint. They got stuff for everybody, man. The football field shit though is cool. You know, you got weights, treadmills, everything, man. This right here, this little gym, the gym area right here. And I know he doesn't put this, I don't see it a lot. It's not like he pushes it heavy on his YouTube channel. So this is why I gotta be the uncomfortable asshole now and just be like, yo, he's doing the damn thing. He's doing the damn thing. You gotta respect that. See, you know, maybe in the future, Kevin will come to my spot and he'll give you a tour of the strip club. I'm done, man. Anywho's, like I said, they got pretty much everything. You got free weights, cable weights, resistant joints. This whole joint is on point, man. I ain't gonna lie. So there it is, man. Give y'all a quick little tour of the spot. Shout out to Kev. So Again, major shout out to my dude, Kevin Van Voorhees. You see the joint right there. I got to continue my way on to Las Vegas. But this is going to wrap up episode 1, or the first part in the trip. I still got about 10 hours or 11 hours to go before I get where I'm going. So stay tuned for that. Somebody recognized me. Somebody, yo, that's what's funny, man. Like, I was in the gym and I was like, yo, that's TK. Yo, dude, hold on, look, hold on, let me get the, yo, dude honking at the car so hard, but he see I was filming. Look, he see I was filming. So I respect him for not coming over here and bothering me while I was filming, but it was just funny. It was like, yo, for real? It's always crazy if you're somewhere, especially like Amarillo, if someone recognizes you is wild. Anywho's, major shout out to Kevin Van Voorhees. I'm gonna put a link to his channel in the description down below. I'm also gonna link the website. Any event you want to get some supplements, merch like this, which you got to get some more in the store, but merch, supplements, or if you're in the greater Amarillo area, I highly recommend you come through, get your car washed, get you one of these friggin' 60-gram protein shakes, right? Do that, and then get in there and go beast mode and work your ass out. Anyways, this is going to conclude part 1 of the video. It's like a bonus video for y'all, man, on a road trip. I'm here in Amarillo. Y'all will see part 2 tomorrow, which is basically Amarillo to Vegas. So stay tuned. Thank y'all very much for watching. I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.